Holy crap. There's 3 bats. Look at these things. My wife is gonna freak out. Hi. Look at these. I didn't even notice them earlier. I'm sure they're not vampire bats, but my goodness. Look at that. So I'm here in Costa Rica. Sitting out here listening to the waves. About 1 o'clock at night. Can't see the ocean, but you can hear it. The pool. And this is what I've got here. My 3 little amigos. Some bats. Wow. And a lizard, if you can see him. There's a lizard. Hi. Curly, Shimp, and Mo. Ah! You can reach out and touch someone. Alright guys, I won't mess with y'all. Y'all don't mess with me. Okay? Alright, deal.